Every country has its own kind of street food. In Kenya, people mainly eat street food either in the morning as they go to work or in the evening as they come out of work. The most common street food that you'll find, mayai boilo na kachumbari. This is a hard-boiled egg with some kachumbari, which is a type of salsa that is made using tomatoes, onions, and dania, which is coriander. Mei or mahindi choma. This is just maize, which is a staple food in Kenya. The maize can either be boiled in water or roasted on an open fire. You'll get a lot of maize as you travel during road trip, as it's one of the food that's sold along highways. Chapo mayai. Chapo is short for chapati. Chapati is a form of roti which gets its influence from India. However, it's not quite exactly the same as roti. You just have to try to experience that goodness, that sweetness of the chapo. So the mayai, which is a hard-boiled egg, is put into the chapati. You can also add kachumbari, which is a salsa, and this makes a kombi, a combination of things that go very well together. The smoky. Smoky is a type of sausage that's made using meat from either sheep or goat. The smoky is usually served with the kachumbari salsa. Mutura. It's a very interesting type of Kenyan sausage. It's one of those things you just have to try for yourself. It's basically a mix of meat and spices. It's one of those dishes where you don't really want to know how it was made, you just want to enjoy the sweetness. It's usually served in the evening as people get out from work. Mshikakis. These are a type of kebabs that are made using pieces of meat. The pieces of meat are put into skewers and then cooked over an open grill. Sometimes they also add vegetables to the mshikakis. Mshikakis are usually sold a lot at night near nightclubs and pubs. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to see a new video every Thursday.